winter, when you keep your home closed up, you seal in stale air full of unhealthy pollutants, allergens, and odors. So how do you keep the air in your home comfortable and fresh all year long? Whole House Fan. The company known for bringing natural outside elements indoors offers the perfect solution. Instead of recirculating air, as with air conditioning, you'll replace it with fresh air, over and over. During the winter months, the Whole House Fan still goes to work, using short bursts of airflow to eliminate stale, dirty air and remove odors, creating a healthier home for you and your family. Whole House Fans delivers advanced features for plenty of power. They come in configurations to accommodate any size house and provide the flexibility to cover all the zones within it. And its intelligently designed fan and ducting provide whisper-quiet operation. So make running a Whole House Fan part of your daily routine and start enjoying cool, clean, fresh air in your home, all day and all year.
So, what do you think it would take for actual customers? All it takes is appreciation and truth. Check it out.
I ran my AC considerably less, and it saved me a lot of money in the summer.
I do love it. I love it too.
Oh, I totally love the whole system. Yeah, I love the features on the switches, that there's many different options, and on the timer. I loved it so much. My sister as well came over and saw how great it was. She got one installed and loves it too.
Yeah.
He bought it.
They bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
They bought it. He bought it.
She bought it.
He bought it. She bought it.
They bought it. She bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it. They bought it. And now you can buy it.